Record hả? A very good morning to my friends. It's Mr. Handy here. So this is the year 8 class for the math. This morning we have our science class. Science class for year 8 will be conducted every Tuesday 9 a.m. Okay, usually it will last for half an hour, about that, to 40 minutes. And I will teach the concept of that particular chapter and together with some questions. Okay, I hope this will help you all. And if you like our program, just always go to YouTube. You may have the access there free. Okay. You can have the free access there. Okay. And this is a 24-week program. Okay, I will explain later. Okay, let me share the content. Okay, now, and you have the books. Okay, let me share the content. You may always, okay, I like online teaching and I like this recording, that to be on YouTube and internet. Okay, because you can access to the material and support anytime, anywhere, right? As long as you have your devices, you can connect to the networking. Somehow, provided that your battery is strong, okay? That's important for today's. Okay, so I shall share my screen to you now. Okay, this is Mr. Handy here for year 8 mathematics. I will conduct this class from 11th January to the 10th of July. Okay, so it lasts for the 6 months. Okay, altogether there will be 24 weeks. In between, there might be a small holiday. Okay, however, even it's holiday, I will upload some of the exercise. You can do it at home. Okay, it's just for my holiday. Okay. If you really need, if you all really want to join the class, even though in holiday, I will try. Just leave a comment there so that I will know, and maybe I can pre-recording the class so that next time, our next program after this, I will try my best to make it without holiday. And if you need other subject or other topics, okay, kindly let me know. Okay, I will try to make the other subject available. Okay, I was an engineer before, and now I'm studying third-year law LLB programs. I'm pleased to share with you my experience. Okay, I'm the homeschool parents, dad, and also I have run a homeschool center for 8 years. Okay, I hope that my experience can help you all from this online program. Okay, welcome again to Year 8 Mathematics. Okay, most of the material I prepared will be from these books, together with another 2 books. Okay, this is for KS3 Year 8. I follow the structure of this book. Somehow, however, the material will be different. Okay, this is the whole 8-year syllabus into a 24-week lessons. Okay, in this 24-week, it contains 1 introduction, 19 lecture, which is I will follow the topic from that book, and then 4 revision I especially prepare for you so that you can practice, okay, on your own. Okay, one can fully utilize this program to enhance your learning. Okay, planning ahead of your school. Okay, have more time for fun and enjoy your life, right? Okay, that's why I make it 6 months. Okay, firstly, I was intended to make it 4 months, so that you can finish the whole program. But I don't want to take my time with this too much. Okay, so I make it 6 months now for this moment. Okay, and I hope that as a homeschooler, as an international school student, okay, you should not only study, right? Okay, not study, but you not only study textbook. Okay, you should widen your eyes, okay, by studying other books and have more activity. Okay, so who can use this program? Okay, actually I should go back to my yesterday's class, okay, so that I can show you this. Okay, yeah, who can benefit from this program? Okay, so if you are international school students or parents, if you are, okay, this is not privately, this is private school, okay, private school, homeschool, or private candidate, you can use this program as a learning support. Okay, it is free, and this, however, the quality is high, because I used to teach tuition as well. Okay, how to use this program? Okay, I would highly recommend these two. Okay, because I myself also a student, and I used to use these 2 techniques in my study. The number 1 is the most important, which is so-called the preview before your class. Okay, if you are going to an actual school and you have another teacher to teach you, use my program as a preview before your class. That means even because this is a very short and intense material, within 1 hour, usually it runs about 40 minutes. Okay, you can quickly have a glance over what you are going to learn in your class. So the preview will help you to set your framework, and then during the class, you can always ask your teacher a deeper question, okay, which is harder, okay, and then you can use this one as a revision as well after class. This is before, so I think it's good for you, okay, to do revision. Okay, revision you always strengthen, can you see, your memory to become a long-term memory. So these 2 points is the golden rule of learning. Okay. Besides that, you can use this as a tuition or intensive class. Okay. So for A star study route, okay, you should have your textbook. Okay. If you don't know where to buy the textbook, you can always comment below. Okay. And you must always attend a lecture, which is a class, or maybe a class like this, or you go for tuition, okay, and then you need to do some note-taking, okay, work, okay. Self-read note is important. I did produce some of the colorful note under the often colorful note. You may have a look there, okay, and I will always, after every class, give you some simple topical practice, and a full topical practice question will be available on the Diofan as well. Last but not least is the past paper practice. Okay, as a student, and I used to score good result, and I also teach students, and they also score good result, a better result if the person has gone through this process and do at least 6 sets of past year paper or past year paper, PYP. Okay, so if you do 6 sets of the past paper, you can roughly know what are the questions that might come up in your exam. Okay, this will help you when you do revision. You are more focused on that. Okay, let's come back to our today's lesson. So for the material just now, you can always look at YouTube. Yeah, okay. The yesterday's video will be there. Okay. Okay. So who can benefit from this class? I think who can benefit from this class? If you are in IGCSE program and looking for a guidance for math, I think this is good, right? Okay, I know that because in this pandemic, there are many students may not join a school or a center. So I think this is just in time for you, if you decided to be a self-learner. Okay, I will willing to help you. However, you must follow that textbook just out the road. Okay, if you wanted to learn ahead of your syllabus, a preview. If you want to learn more about math, if you are looking for some math tuition, I think this is the place you are looking for. If you want to do some review, okay? Okay, you may just screenshot, okay, this page so that you can know about the program for this too, okay? For year 7 and year 9 is available on my Facebook page, okay? You may look there for the timetable, okay? For the math, okay, we will cover number and calculations, expression and functions, shapes, mathematical drawing, length, math and capacity, number and calculation 2, planning, collecting and processing data, fractions, expression, equation and formula, geometry, fraction, decimal, time rate, okay? Okay, this is for the year 8. Okay. Oh, let me see. I think this is year 8 or not. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay. Let me check with the books. Never mind. Okay, I'll bring the books, year 8 books, and I'll have a check for that. Okay. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, no. I guess somebody to help me. Okay. Mathematical thinking is good for critical thinking. Okay, critical thinking means that to solve the problem using logical argument. Okay, so let's read this sentence. In mathematics, students use logical arguments when they are encouraged to test conjecture and justify. Students use example to verify or refute statements and use logical argument to convince others. Mathematical analysis will be used to achieve the above purpose. Okay. So, okay, now we take some time and have a try with the question. Okay. This is for today's class. Okay. I will let you try first. Okay. Okay, I'll let you try first. Which of these coins make exactly 1.1 pound? Okay, I give you 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and have a look with the money. Yes, I think you get the answer, is it? The 1 is £1, and then the 10 is 10 cents. Okay, so you should get your £1 and 10 cents. Okay, how do you want to add this one? If you get £1, if you get this one, you have this one, right? However, how you want to solve the 10? You do have 10 cents here, can you see? If you want to get 2 5s plus 5 cents, you only have 1. So I don't think we can solve the question by using £1, right? Okay, come, let's try other ways. Can you see? This is one way of thinking, which is same as what I showed you just now, the critical thinking. Okay, have a try with this. Since we cannot do, why not we try other option? Yes, we should try, right? Because this is in exam. Okay, we try this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's try. 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. So this one will get 0. This one will get 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, yeah, this is 110. 110 cents, which is equal to 1.10 pound, right? 1.10 pound. Okay, so can you see? Even solve this small question in our daily life, it involves our critical thinking. If you don't have a 10 cent, this 1 pound is useless, right? So then you need to look for others solution, which is the 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, look at the shapes. Look at the shapes. What fraction of this shape is shaded? Okay, fraction. Okay, fraction. Fraction is this one. Something divide, right? Something. Can you see? Why I say divide? If I change this one into a circle, this is obviously looks like a division sign, isn't it? So the denominator part is the total. Total. Okay, total. So we should count for the denominator part. Okay, how many pieces you have for the denominator part? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. So altogether, I have 16 here. Okay. Okay, but I need to erase first. So make clear. So this is a 16 here, just now what I count. Okay, now we need to look for the shaded part. Shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the shaded part is 8. Okay. After this, we need to do some simplification. Simplify. Okay. If this one is divide by 8, you get 1. And this one divided by 8, you get 2. Okay, so my answer will be either 8 of 16, 8 of 16, or 1 of 2. Okay, I will write my answer as 1 or 2. Okay, the next question. The table shows how many people visit a museum in 5 weeks. Okay, for the week 1, is 400 something. We rounded up to 100. Okay, when we round to 100, okay, we have this word. 4, 5, 3. Okay, when you rounded something, okay, always put a dot under the 100. The nearest 100 means that you need to look for the 100. This is ones. This is 10. And then this is 100. Okay. So if the question asks you to round to the nearest 100, always draw a dot and then draw an arrow and look at the next number. If you want to round to the 100, you should look at the 10. And then as you learn from your primary school, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will add the 100, add to another 100. So it makes that the answer 500. Can you see this one? This one add one more. Can you see? Plus 100. Okay, so it will be rounded to 500. This is the idea. Second, we have another one. 3, 2, 8. Okay, applying the method I just taught. Okay, is look for 100, put a dot, and then draw an arrow and look at the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be rounded to the previous 100. So the answer will be 300. Okay, can you see the idea? Okay, come. So the answer for this one will be 300. Okay, next come to the week 3. Have a look with that. Week 3 will be 5, 5, 7. Okay, listen to me. I have the purple color. Where should I put the dot? Yes, at the 100 place, right? And then how should I draw an arrow? Yes, to the smaller than 5, right? So since 5, you will add out another 100 to the 500. So the answer will be 600. Can you see? Okay, let's try the 600 here. Okay, again, 299. Draw a dot, look at the next. The answer will be 300. Oh, sorry. Now the 3, 5, 6 again. Listen to me. Draw a dot. Look at the next number. Add another 100 for this 5. So the answer will be 400. Okay. Complete the table. Yes, this is done. Now use the rounded value to complete the bar chart below. The first bar has been done for you. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 500. The next one will be 600. Okay, we should. Okay, let me see whether I can enlarge or not. Oh, cannot. Okay. So I will try to draw nicely for you. Yo, this is 600. Can you see? I think I color slightly above the line. Okay, axis line. Okay, my answer is gone. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's not 600. Okay. Sorry. I should write the answer back here. Okay, so this is 300, 600, 300, and then 400. Okay, so the one is 300 actually. No man. Okay, so this is the answer. 300. The next one will be 600, the third week. And then we have the 300. And then we have the 400. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, the next question. Take the best estimate for each of the following. This one again is about logical thinking. Logical thinking. This is Joshua. Joshua is the tall boy. Okay. Joshua is 1.85 meter tall. Okay. So this is a door. This is a doorknob. Okay. So can you roughly estimate what is the height of the door? Yes. Can you using millimeter? Can you use centimeter, kilometer, or meter? This boy is 1.85. So the door is taller than this boy. So the door is roughly about 2 meters. Can you see? So the answer for this one will be yes, obviously 2 meters. Bye-bye, Joshua. Thank you. The answer is 2 meters. The length of a pen. Yeah, I think you have a pen in your hand, right? This is a pen. Okay, this is a pen. So the pen is usually measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter, or kilometer. I think it's centimeter, right? The distance between Leeds and Manchester. This is two cities in UK. Okay. So in two cities in UK, if you don't know, you can imagine from if you're in KL, go to Ipoh, Rawang. From KL, go to Seremban. Can you use millimeter, meter, centimeter, or kilometer? Which one is suitable? Yes, I think kilometer is suitable. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, again, number 5. The thermometer shows that the temperature at the different time on the day. Okay. So this is -2 here, -2. And then this is 3, and this is positive 3. Okay. In degrees Celsius. Write the missing number below. From 6 a.m. to 1 p.m., the temperature went up by, okay, went up by how many? This is 6 a.m. Okay, come, let's draw a line here. Okay, from here, this is can be done by easily count how many steps up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, went up by 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you have a number 0 line, okay, this is 0. This is -2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So on this side you have 2 boxes. On this side you have 3 boxes. So all together you have 5. Okay, you need to move 5 steps to the 5 steps to the right. Okay. Okay, from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., the temperature went down by 7. Went down by 7, or just increased by 5. Now it's went down by 7. So show the thermometer to show the temperature. Okay, we have this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. So now you are at 3, right? The answer is 3. So you need to go to went down by 7. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this one. So it's -4. Okay, -4. Let me write down here. Okay, -4, right? So you should use your color from -4, go down and fill out the rest of the thermometer. This is the answer. Went down, be careful, this is went down. Okay, next question, number 6. Here, a part of a number grid. Okay, this grid number is just like a calendar. However, the calendar is a 7 columns. Okay, for Monday to Sunday. Okay, but this is only 6 columns. So for 6 columns, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And follow down. Oh, okay. So what number is the square below this one? 24. Okay, you may use the simple way. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is 30. I think this is 30. Okay. So the answer is 30. Okay. Here's another part of the grid. Okay. So now you need to find the relationship. Okay. Every time the number goes down, in other way, you can know this is plus 6. This again is plus 6. So you know this number should be plus 6. After plus 6, when the grid go down, okay, plus 6. So you know 60 plus 6, this one will get you the 66. 66. So this 66 was hidden here. Can you see? Okay, so it's missing here. So this box is the number just before the 66. So your answer is so obvious. This is 65. Can you see? My answer is 65. Okay, come. This question is about the number of bags of sugar you could buy with your 10 bucks, 10 pounds, okay? So if one can, okay, is equal to 4, so what about half? Half will be 2, right? What about 1/4? 1/4 will be 1, okay? This is how you read this, okay? So now we can have a try. In 1995, you could buy 16 bags of sugar. So this is 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Yeah, this is correct. Okay. And then for the 1999, how many? Can you count for me? 4, 4, 4, 4, 2. Right? So the answer will be 10. In 2003, you could buy 9 bags of sugar. Which drawing below represent 9 bags of sugar? Okay, then we need to count, is it? Then only we take the correct drawing. Yeah? Okay, so this is 4, 4 is 8. This is 4, 4, 2, this is 10. This is 4, 4, 1, this is 9. This is 4, 4, 3, this is 11. Okay, so the answer will be 9 bags. Okay, put a tick here. I think this is the last question, right? Yes, this is the last question. Okay, so write the missing number. Okay, 26 times what number? will be equal to the 624. Have to try, okay? So if this is 2 times what number equal to 6, then you know that, okay? 6 divided by 2, you'll get also the answer. This is 3, right? Okay, so following this logic, you need to do the division. 624 divided by 26. 624 divided by 26. So the answer will be, I think 2 can, right? 2 times 6, you'll get 2, 12. And then this is 50, 12. And then you have 104. 25 times 4 is 100. So 26 times 4, I think will be okay, right? 6 times 4 is 24. And then you have, yes, that's the number. So the answer is 24. Now, write what the missing number below could be. This number must be greater than 10. Okay, must be greater than 10. Why? Because the teacher don't want you to write 1 times 312. Can you see? Yeah, that will be so easy. Okay, everyone can do this one. Okay, and then also the teacher don't want you to do 2. Okay, so now we should try an error, right? We should try. We should try. Okay. Why not we try 12? Okay. 12. Okay. So we need to divide 312 to 12. Okay. So we can try 2 is 24. And then we have 72 here. 72. Okay, let's just try 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And yeah, this is 72. So my answer will be 12 times 26. We'll get 312. Okay, can you see? The idea of this question is that you need a lot of the critical thinking. Okay, in my explanation, a critical thinking means that you can sense the number, which means that you can taste, you can smell, you can touch a number, you can feel the number, then you can guess the answer. That's the idea. Okay, let's review today's class. Okay. Yeah, just now I checked with the syllabus. Oh, this one is correct. Okay. Okay, you may just take this table and come in anytime if you want. And then this is for today's class. I thank you for joining me. And then if you want, you can have always look back to our YouTube channel. And I hope this will help your learning. Thank you very much. And see you tomorrow if you want to join our Year 9 class. And next week, if you want to join again, the actual class of the number and calculation for this Year 8. Okay, which will involve mental strategy, multiple factors, a square number, cube number, root, square root of cube root, indexes, division of the negative number, multiplication of the negative number. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoy your day. Happy Tuesday. Okay, bye.